from the highest level down to the first one, the first level. Okay? Now, it's like ah. Ah. Okay, let's do it together. Ah. Ah. Once again. Ah. Very good. Okay. So, ah. 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 Okay? Now, from today, we are going to learn the pronunciation step by step, and then you can pronounce very well and correctly. Today, we are going to learn 3. The first one is ah. Ah. Please read it with me. Ah. Ah. So how to pronounce this one? When you go to the hospital to see the doctor will check your throat with the light, right? So at that time, the doctor will ask you to open your mouth and pronounce like this way. For example, I check myself. Ah. You should open your mouth and it will be round, right? And big, okay? Ah, read out to me. Ah. 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 Very good. Okay. Second tone. Please read after me with your gesture from the 3rd level to the 5th. Okay? Are you ready? Let's start. Ah. 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 Yeah, please do after with us, okay? Once again. Ah. 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 Very good. Okay. Now the 3rd one. With your gesture, please. Let's do it together, okay? 1, 2. Ah. 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 Can you do it? Let's start. Yes. Ah. Ah. Very good. Okay. The 4th tone. Let's do it together. Ah. 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 Yes, very good. Do it with me again. Ah. Ah. Very good. Okay, now let's practice the 4 tones together. Could you read this one now? From the first tone. Yeah, the highest level. Yes, very good. Your gesture is right. From the highest level. Ah. You do it, please. Yes. Ah. Yes. Okay. The second one. Yes, from the 3rd. Yes, okay. Ah. Ah. Good. You do it yourself, please. Ah. Ah. Yes. The 3rd one, I think you can do it. Try it, please. Yes, you're right. Ah. Ah. The last one, yes, from the toppest to the lowest. Ah. Ah. Great. Okay, now let's read it together, the whole class, okay? Please read it. You read it yourself, okay? First. Ah. It's ah, like this way? No. First, ah. Yeah, please read it with us. Ah. Ah. This one? Ah. Good. Ah. The last one? Ah. Yeah. Once again. Ah. 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 Perfect. Very good. Okay. So this pronunciation, like in English, right? Or father, right? Like this way, okay? And when you practice to pronounce, you can have a mirror, okay, at home to practice it, to watch your mouth, okay? First, this one, for example, is it should be big and round, and like this way. Okay, like the doctor is checking you to say like that way. Or bigger. Yeah, you can watch it, okay? Now, let's learn the second one, okay? In the morning when you get up, you will be woken up by the alarm or the rain, but in the countryside, the children will usually be woken up by the rooster singing. How does the rooster sing? Do you know? Like what? Could you please practice it? Practice it.
Ooh, 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 ooh.
Yes, very good. It's ooh, right? Okay, ooh, 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 like this way. Okay? Now, this one pronounced like ooh, ooh. Now, let's read it together. Ooh, ooh. Okay, yeah. We read it when we round our lips and then keep it, okay? And then pronounce it, okay? Now, let's do it together. Oh, oh. Yes, very good. Okay. So, with tones, how to read it? The first one, could you please try it? Oh. Oh. Yes, very good. The second one. Oh. 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 Good. The third one. Let's do it together. 1, 2. Oh. 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 Good. The fourth one. Oh. 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 Can you do it now? Oh. Oh. Good. Very good. Let's read it together. Oh. 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 Good. Okay. Could you please do it by yourself? Yes, please try it. This one? Yes. This one? This one? The fourth? Good. Okay. The third one. This one pronounced like first, yeah, your lips should be narrow, okay, and long. Yeah, strands to the two sides, okay? Like English, this one, like this one. Okay, read out to me, please. Very good. Now, let's read it. This time, please read it yourself. So, first, show me the gesture. Please read it yourself. 1, 2. Perfect. Okay, good. Second one. Good. Goose is Once again. Good. The third one. Perfect. Once again. Good. The last one. It means hungry. Oh, I'm hungry. I'm 饿了 is hungry. Okay? And this one is goose. So it is a nice goose. How to say? Goose. Yes, very good. You got it. Okay? Now let's read it together. Ah. 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 How to read this one? 我 Okay. Next one. Very good. Well done. Okay. Just now you did very well about the pronunciations. The first one, second, third, you did very well with the correct gestures. Very good. There's another way to practice pronunciations by gesture. What it is? Look at me. With your body language, this one, which tone it is sign? Which tone? Can you tell me which tone it is? First tone, right? Okay, so please read this one, please, together with your body language. Okay, please raise your arms together. Stand up, please. Very good. Very good. Let's do it together. Okay. Read that to me. So the second tone, how to do? Yes, like this way. How to read? Good. Okay, this one. 1, 2. Good. And then the last one. 1, 2. Perfect. Okay. Sit down, please. Thank you. Very good. Okay. Now I will ask one student to show me with body languages. Okay. Now the first tone, the second, and the third, and the last. Okay. Now, please, yeah, Kathy, right? Okay. Yeah. Please. How to show the first tone? Good. Perfect. And the third one. The third one.
Oh, sorry.
Good. The last one. Good. And then the second. Good. Very good. Very good. Okay. Good. Today we have learned a brief introduction about China and how to say hello, 你好 in Chinese. Alright? Okay. When you meet a friend on the street, how to say? 你好. Very good. Okay. When you meet a close friend, how to say? 你好. 你好 the same, right? Yeah, it is right. Or in the morning you meet them, you can say 你好. In the afternoon, you can also say 你好. And in the evening also, okay? You can say 你好, right? But if you meet your teacher or your parents, what should you say? 您好. Yes, 您好. Very good. And a question, what is it in Chinese? 你好吗? Good. 你好吗? But if I ask you, 你好吗? How do you answer? Reply? 我很好. Very good. Okay. 你好. 你好吗? 我很好. 谢谢. Okay. So much for this class. When you arrive at your home, how to say hello to your parents? Please.
你好.
Or to your parents.
您
您
好.
Yes, very good. Okay, very good. Okay, so please try to help them to learn some Chinese greeting way, right? You can teach them how to say 你好 or 您好 or 你好吗 or 我很好 and then please help them to know or with your gesture or this gesture. Okay? Okay, so much for this class. 下课 is class is over. Okay. 再见 is bye bye. Okay, let's say bye bye to the friends. Okay, let's together. 1, 2.
再见。